it's Eliz from Means to Travel, and welcome to our Airbnb in Tucson, Arizona. Why don't you come on in? So for those of you who have been following along, my husband Derek and I have just completed a 2,000-mile road trip from Cincinnati, Ohio to Tucson, Arizona. And we have opted on this trip to stay at an Airbnb. Typically we stay with my family that lives here, but due to the pandemic, we've decided that an Airbnb was the safest option for all parties involved. And we have a family friend who owns this particular Airbnb that had a cancellation for the dates that we were here. So we decided to scoop it up and have this be our home for the next few days. So we're gonna give you guys a tour today of the house and the property, so that way if you are considering an Airbnb stay in Tucson, you will know whether this is a good option for you. Great, so to start our tour, we first have a coat closet right here and a powder room back on this wall as well. And then over here is a huge family-sized washer dryer laundry room that is great for the fact that you might have a lot of people staying here, because this is a 5-bedroom house. So let's go through. Back here is, we are using this as an office right now, which is great that they have a desk and workspace, but there's also a futon in this room that can fold down and create extra sleeping space for anybody who is visiting. Right on the other side of this wall here, there's actually a game room. So as you can see, there's a pool table. Sorry, it's a bit echoey in here, isn't it? And on that wall, there's a big TV that you can have on and enjoy a movie while you're playing pool. And our favorite thing though is the wet bar. So how great is this? And you get to have all the different types of glassware. And there's even a little fridge. And as you come through here, there's a 4-person breakfast nook area adjacent to this full kitchen, excellent for families. So this kitchen is fully stocked with everything an aspiring chef might want. And one of the main issues that people have with Airbnbs is there might not be enough cutlery or plates or something like that for the amount of people staying at a location. But this place, that is not an issue. They have absolutely everything, and they even have a crock pot. So that way if you feel like going out while everything's cooking, you absolutely can. So if you walk through here, this area, there's also a full-size dining room, again, perfect for a large family, with even a working fireplace on this wall. One of the advantages to being in the Southwest is that there is so much sunlight, and so many places take advantage of all that natural light and add skylights such as this one to make the rooms here so much brighter. And if you come walk through here, this is the main family room area, and it has enough space for an entire family to really enjoy and lounge and maybe watch TV together. There's also an exit out this door as well to the back patio, which we will show you guys in a bit. And as you walk through the living area, over here you come to the sleeping quarters wing of the house. So down this hallway here, you're gonna find 3 bedrooms. So there's one with 2 twin beds, which is perfect for kids. There's another one with a queen bed, and then a third with a queen bed, all of which have very close to it a full-size bathroom as well. Then as you walk over into this area, you'll find the master bedroom, which is where Derek and I are currently sleeping. So there's a king-size bed in here and access to the back patio as well. Over on this side, there is a walk-in closet and a full ensuite bathroom with a shower and tons of storage. But now it's time for us to show you our favorite part of the house, which is the outdoor space. Let's go. Come on out. This is the most epic backyard. So let me just grab my sunglasses real quick because it is sunny. But as you can see, I've moved my laptop out here to do work, which is great because the Wi-Fi extends outside. And so I'm able to edit videos and stuff from outside. But also over here, you're gonna find a full-size hot tub, which is amazing to have with all of the cold nights that you will have in the desert, so that way you still have that heated way to enjoy the outdoors. Also, you can see here there are tons of seating areas outside. So there's the ones by the hot tub, but also ones that are on the side of the fence that has the pool that is covered with the pergola if you need a little bit of shade. But in the mornings, that actually gets some direct sun in there too. So it's great to wake up with your coffee and sit right next to the pool under the pergola. So the pool itself is pretty large, great for families, and has this safety barrier for kids and dogs. And then let me take you down this area, which is the coolest part of the house in our personal opinion. What we really love about visiting the Southwest is that indoor-outdoor lifestyle and being able to dine al fresco, entertain al fresco. So this place has it all. We have a dining table for making dinners and lunches outside. We have several chairs around an outdoor fireplace. And then also too, we have a wonderful grill setup. So you can do some outdoor grilling. And if the kids or, adults come out of the pool, don't want to get all the cushions wet, you can even sit along these wicker bar stools as well. So that way you're not getting any sort of fabric wet in the process. But we really, really have liked using this outdoor grill, making burgers and steaks and fish and everything like that. And in that armoire way back there, there's a lot of tools for that, as well as towels, tons of towels for swimming. The final thing we want to show you out here in the backyard is that there's actually a lot of property at this Airbnb. So there's a little over an acre of land, and a lot of different seating areas have been set up around that acre. So as you can see here, there's Adirondack chairs under this tree that has string lights that at nighttime you can light up, and it's like little fairy lights around. And there's also a lot more seating back here as well. So there's a place to have a table and 2 chairs to have coffee in the mornings, and also some great cushioned seating spots right up the hill up there. So there's a lot of places to play if you have a big family, and we really think that this is the most beautifully done backyard. Definitely the best backyard we've ever had at an Airbnb. So now that we've kind of shown you this amazing outdoor experience, there's one more building that I need to let you guys see. So come on. So here, which is a few steps from the main house, is the entrance to the 3-car garage. So yes, you can store 3 cars here if you have a lot of people visiting. And then also back here, there's what we initially thought was just a bathroom for people using the pool, but lo and behold, when we opened this door, there's actually a casita here too. So there is another bed. This is a king-size bed, plus there's a couch back there. Perhaps you need to work during the day and you need to get away from those loud, pesky kids or something. You can take calls from that couch. And there's Wi-Fi in here too. And even like a sink with coffee maker. So it's a great setup for, extended families, couples who are combining households or something like that, or even if you have just a very large family. We really thought this was an awesome spot, like secret hideaway, bonus part of this Airbnb. And the last thing I want to mention to you guys is that this Airbnb has an amazing view of the Catalina Mountains from all parts of the backyard. And what that kind of means is that it's close to a lot of great hiking on the east side of Tucson. So it's close to Sabino Canyon State Park, Saguaro National Park, and it's also driving distance to a lot of local grocery stores, such as like Safeway, Albertsons, Target, Whole Foods, etc., about 15 minutes away. So if you guys are interested in this Airbnb, again, we're going to leave a link down below to the listing, so that way if it seems like a perfect option for you and your family when you are visiting Tucson, that way you can go right to it. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. We'll try to get to them. And if you liked this video and want to see more types of videos like this from our channel, give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to this channel by pressing the red subscribe button down below too, so you don't miss any of the travel videos to come. Thanks everybody for watching. Cheers. Happy travels. Bye.
Hey travelers, don't forget to subscribe and let's hang out more. Here are some links to other helpful travel videos on my channel, and press that notification bell so you don't miss any new and awesome travel videos to come.